before you went under. Sorry.
Bit too much free champagne before takeoff, eh, is it?
Aha, bloody pie.
I know he's going to be looking for a taxi in this one.
Hey, man, why don't you...
Walk away.
Third market.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, I thought it was free.
Well, it's not.
Maybe we could share.
Yeah, maybe not. Can you pull over, get this... Great. Come on.
$500 in there. The wallet's worth more than that, so you might at least drop me if I stop.
I'm afraid of this.